Another interesting topic. This topic is very interesting because it is on how to make broiler feed suitable for faster growth. If you want massive growth in your broilers, you want the best weight, you want to achieve 6 kg in 8 weeks, you want your broilers to be outstanding when you get to the market. Perhaps you don't even want to reach the market at all. You want all your broilers to be purchased right inside their farm. Like here, we don't take our broilers to the market. Before they mature, people have already paid for it. This is not a case of anytime my broiler grow, I sell it. No. Broilers have time for rearing and time for growth. It is something you need to know even before you even plant your broilers in your farm. So I want to give you the best secret that will help you to grow your broiler at a maximum weight. What you are seeing here is the secret of how I grow my own broiler. This is organic extract I produced, and we have been using it to grow our broilers. All these broilers you are seeing here, this is what we use to grow them. They are completely organic, purely organic extracts. You see them? We don't use synthetic here. All our products are organic, and this is how we grow our own broilers, our layers, and our noilers. Every of our poultry birds is organic. This is the probiotic we make use of. You can see it. You can see it in the market. It's directly to farmers who need to make move, who want to make profit, who want to go into organic farming, who are already in organic farming and want to maximize their potentials. We say directly to avoid adulteration, to avoid fake one. I said directly from my farm. So we bill it to any part of the globe. Anywhere you are, just send the address and make payment. We send it to you. This is probiotic. You can see this is feed booster that is mixed in their feed. You mix this with their feed to enrich that your commercial feed or the feed you produce by yourself. Use this organic to mix. You have chicken, eat it. In less than 2 weeks, you get a maximum result. So, in this particular video, I'm going to share with you how you will make your broilers feed suitable for fast growth. 1. Are you struggling to get your broilers to grow faster and healthier? What if I give you the secret that will grow your broiler within 5 weeks? Will you be surprised? Today, I will show you step-by-step guide on how to formulate feed that will guarantee faster growth and better profit and heavier egg production if you are into heavy. Once you get your commercial feed, mix it with this probiotic, you're going to get the maximum results within a short period of time. This is purely feed booster. Whatever ingredient that your feed has, this particular organic is going to boost it times 10. So they are going to get maximum result from that feed. Those ingredients that are missing, those shortcuts they are cutting off in order to make more profit from their commercial feed, this is going to balance it for you. Now, the feed you choose directly impacts the weight gain of your poultry, the immunity, and overall productivity. That's what is going to give you also, because it's going to boost their immune structure so that they will not fall sick within the time of rearing. And once they don't get sick, all the feed they consume is going direct to their system to boost them. But once there is sickness or immune failure, they will fall sick, they will go backward. Instead of before they recover, it's almost late. So, 1, you need to know the key ingredients for faster growth, like maize. Maize is a source of energy. It boosts energy for rapid growth. Soybean is source of protein. It builds muscle and supports fast weight gain. Why? This is highly proteinous. It has high energy, up to 90% crude protein. So once you dissolve it in your commercial feed, it's going to reduce because it's going to reduce the protein content, because that your commercial feed is not up to 90% crude protein, but this will give you 85 to 90% crude protein. Once you pick just little quantity of it and mix in your commercial feed to boost that your commercial feed, at the same time your broilers will gain enough energy to eat because it is fortified with energy, minerals, and vitamins. Now, fish meal boosts protein. It enhances growth efficiency. Bone meal is calcium. It strengthens bone for healthier birds. With this, your birds will not cripple any longer. Their legs will be strong to withstand any weight they are gaining. So the premise, which this has the natural premise, it has organic premise inside. The premise is to keep them strong and disease free always throughout the period of the rearing, and it has natural growth promoter inside it. There is a garlic, there is ginger, there is turmeric, and everything in a minimal quantity that will do what? Maximize feed conversion, feed digestion, and feed metabolism. Feeding schedule for optimal growth is another thing you need to know. You have the best feed, but when is the best time to feed your chicken so that they will be able to gain the maximum benefit of that feed? Timing is crucial. Follow this feeding schedule for maximum results. Starter phase, please. Day 1 to 14, you use super starter and starter. Between 22% to 24% crude protein is very important for you to boost their initial growth. And that's why I encourage you to make use of this, because you hardly get any commercial feed that is more than 21% crude protein. Yes, it is possible that they may have 25, 21 million percent crude protein, but I will not tell you what is inside until when you take it to the lab and confirm it. If you use this is guaranteed. We are not selling it. It's not in the market. You hardly see it in the market. So that it will not be adulterated. Now, during that phase, they will get that massive growth, massive weight that will help them, and their immune system will be strong to carry on the next stage of their life, which is the grower phase. Now, use grower feed. Always use grower feed for broilers. It is very important. Most especially, even if you are rearing it for 6 weeks, give it to them, even if it's 1 week alone. Day 15 to 28, use grower feed. This grower feed is between 20 to 22% crude protein, and it helps them to gain enough energy, enough protein, and enough minerals and vitamins that will help to carry their weight when you start using finisher. Then turn to finisher phase between 29 day to market stage. Finisher feed is between 18 to 20% crude protein. It helps them to gain the massive weight they need. Tips for getting the best weight. Please, clean water supply always. The hydration is key for digestion. If they always drink, they always eat, and they can easily digest the feed and maximize feed conversion. Use natural growth boosters. Even if you are not buying this, get your own natural growth boosters. Garlic, ginger, turmeric, and rest of them. They are very important because they enhance feed efficiency and strengthen the immunity. Ensure proper spacing for your broilers. Overcrowding slows down growth, no matter the effort you put. Once they are overcrowded, the growth will retard immediately. Use good quality feed formula. Save expenses on commercial feed while achieving faster growth. Please, it is very important. Cost benefit analysis is very important when you are rearing your broilers. If this video is very interesting to you, please, I will advise you to give it a thumb up. Like the video. That's the only way you can encourage me to continue producing good and quality video that will help you to maximize your potentials in broiler and poultry rearing. Comment. Thank you is enough to move the channel forward and to encourage me to produce more video for you. And if you can still join us as fan in this our wonderful platform, it's good. Just choose one of the pack. Little amount of money and on monthly basis is enough to encourage you, and that will give you enough benefit to derive from this particular platform. Till I come your way with another topic loading very soon. Please don't go far. And that topic is loading very soon. Bye.